It is not easy to find the perfect summertime flowers for your garden, particularly if you reside in a hot and humid region. The good news is that many different types of plants can tolerate and even benefit from high temperatures. Along with details about each plant's temperature tolerance, sunlight needs, and hardiness zone, we have produced a list of the 15 most heat-tolerant plants. Number 1. Lantana. Since lantanas originate in the tropics of Africa and the Americas, they are a favorite summer flower choice for people who reside in warmer climes. You can cultivate them in your garden without worry about them scorching. In addition to being heat-resistant, they are aesthetically pleasing and available in an assortment of hues and tones. Number 2. Hibiscus. Beautiful and beloved by many, hibiscus plants are also recognized as the official flower of Hawaii. They are a welcome sight in any home, especially on steamy summer days, with their brilliant hues and distinctive central stem. In fact, these blossoms do best in warm temperatures and are able to tolerate high levels of humidity. Number 3. Ground orchid. Growing ground orchids in the summer is a breeze, making them an ideal plant for those who are just starting out in the gardening world. These flowers are perfect for warm weather gardens and will bloom all year round if you happen to live in such a climate. Keep the soil temperature between 50 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit for ground orchids. They are tolerant plants. Number 4. Bottlebrush. True to its moniker, these one-of-a-kind blossoms have red petals that are as bristly as a classic bottlebrush. Assuming you're in an ideal climate, these flowers will require very little attention and are perfect for beginners in the garden. Popular in desert areas, bottlebrushes can withstand dry conditions. Number 5. Princess flower. Exotic shrubs with vibrant purple blossoms that appear all year long. Their delicate hairy leaves enhance the beauty of the blossom and, in rare cases, can even grow into a tiny tree. Because they are sensitive to cold and frost, princess flowers are best suited for warmer areas. Number 6. Salvia. These tubular blooms, which are also called sage, are adored by bees and butterflies and can withstand periods of drought. Hot conditions are ideal for salvias, which usually bloom from summer into fall. With over 1,000 kinds of salvia in existence across the globe, you're bound to find one that suits your taste. Number 7. Coffea. The Americas are the original habitat of these diminutive yet stunning blossoms. The cigar plant gets its name from the fact that these plants resemble cigars in shape and texture. Coffeas are perfect for the summer because they love the heat. Number 8. Cosmos. There is a wide spectrum of hues available for these lovely blossoms, which resemble the well-known daisy. Because of their adaptability and ease of growth in flower beds, they are a popular choice for many gardeners. You can't go wrong with these vibrant summer flowers in your yard or whatever room you decorate with them. Number 9. Marigold. A bouquet of marigolds is sure to brighten anyone's day with its infectious smile and infectious energy. Due to its low maintenance requirements, these beautiful flowers can be cultivated in nearly any environment. The flowers have a powerful aroma and come in a variety of colors, from gold to yellow to orange. Number 10. Geranium. Not only are these common bedding plants known to flourish in the summer, but they are also aesthetically pleasing. If you want a beautiful variety of flowers in your yard, all you have to do is grow these easy-to-care-for blossoms. You can easily choose one that suits your environment from the more than 280 kinds available. Number 11. Sedum. Sedums are succulents that can withstand dry conditions. They have thick leaves and little purple blossoms. You may find them in a rainbow of hues and shapes, and they'll look lovely in your summer garden. To avoid winter frost, plant your sedum plant in the spring. Sedums are succulents that thrive in the hot summer weather. Number 12. Pentas. The five-pointed petals and vivid colors of these beautiful blossoms have earned them the name Egyptian stars. Commonly seen as bedding plants or container plants, these blossoms really shine in the summer. These are the best if you want to see more butterflies and hummingbirds in your yard. Number 13. Floss Flower. These unusual, floss-like petals resemble pom-poms, as the name of the plant implies. Petal clusters displaying varying colors of blue and purple are typical of this subtropical flower. There is no doubt that you will discover a floss flower suitable for your garden among the more than 40 species available. Number 14. Coreopsis. Think about obtaining a Coreopsis if you want a plant that is colorful and energetic. These clusters of bright yellow flowers resemble daisies and don't need much care if planted in the correct spot. Number 15. Liatris. Liatris plants are low maintenance and much better when given a little space to grow. These show-stopping purple blossoms are perfect for any garden because of their bold appearance. Despite the lack of scent, they never fail to add a touch of timeless elegance to any garden.
Well, thanks for watching video from Catchy Garden. Don't forget to click like and subscribe button to always support our channel. You can also turn on the notification bell to get the latest videos from us. We'll see you in the next videos.